As Dr. Thomas Burnett at Regeneration Pittsburgh, and today we're talking with Walter. Thanks for agreeing to talk about your procedure. So 6 months ago, I met you. We've been dealing with several years of knee pain, and you work on a farm, or you have your own farm, and so taking time off was not an option for you. So you had done the research for stem cell procedures, and almost 5.5 months ago to today, we did the bone marrow aspiration and the follow-up PRP. Can you give me an estimate on how much improvement you've seen over those 5 months?
As far as my walking is concerned, I'd say at least 75%. I go farther and do more than I've done in the last 8 or 9 years.
That's great.
I haven't taken an Excedrin, and I've probably taken one in the whole 6 months, and that was probably for a headache.
That's good. Perfect. Have you worked any less hard on the farm since then?
Yeah, I took the slower part early in the procedure. I took the slower part, but now I'm back full time cutting firewood and doing whatever I want to do.
Yeah, that's right. Good. Well, thank you. And one last question: would you recommend this procedure to somebody with similar position with knee arthritis and severe pain?
I would, and I have. I've been impressed with the
Great
procedure.
Well, I appreciate it. Well, thanks again.